Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video. And if you've just gotten your hands on the Google Pixel 8a and you're wondering what are the first things I should do, well, that is what we're going to cover in this video. And if you find a pro tip of your own, which we have not mentioned in this video, but you feel it is important that our viewers should do it, then make sure you mention it in the comments on this video. And without any further delay, let us get down to business. So out of the box, your Google Pixel 8a will not have the latest security update. So you will go into settings, security and privacy, and herein you have a section for system and updates. Make sure you are signed into your Google account. And then as you can see, my Pixel 8a has the security update from March 2024. I will go in here, and as you can see, there is an OTA update available, which is being downloaded, and hopefully it is the May 2024 security update for the Google Pixel 8a. Make sure you download it and you install it. And while the OTA update is being downloaded, make sure you go to the Google Play Store. On the top right, you will see your profile picture, or you will see the first alphabet of your name. Tap on that, then you will go into My App and Games, and herein go ahead and select this section of updates available. These are all the app updates which are available. We are going to say update all. Now, once you have applied the latest security update on your Google Pixel 8a and rebooted your device, if we go back into our settings, and herein we can go into security and privacy system updates. Here it is. You can see that we are now on the latest security patch, which is May 2024. Also, make sure you check for any Google Play system updates which are available, and go ahead and download and install them as well. And once that is done, make sure you reboot your device. The next thing I recommend you do with your brand new Google Pixel 8a is to create an AI wallpaper. So press and hold on the empty space on your home screen. Go into wallpapers and style. Herein go into more wallpapers, and you will see the option of AI wallpaper. If you do not see this option, that means you have not updated all your applications from the Play Store. Go ahead and do that, and then reboot your device, and bam, here it is. These are the different options for AI wallpapers. Let us say we want to create a painting. Once you select the painting, then you can choose the different words which are underlined. So here it is, a painting of, what do you want a painting of? Let us say we want a painting of a desert. And what else? Let us tap on spaceships, look for different options. We're going to choose flying cars. And in what style are we looking at for? So let us say we want the style of classical, and then we're going to say create a wallpaper, agree to the terms and conditions, and wait for AI to do its magic and give us some wallpaper options. And there it is. These are the different options which we have. We can of course swipe between the different options which were given to us, and then if we are happy with the results, tap on the check mark on the top right, and we're going to say set wallpaper, home and lock screen both. And now if I go to my home screen, bam, here it is. We just created an AI wallpaper, and the same has been applied on my lock screen as well. Next up, did you know that your Google Pixel 8a has 120 Hz refresh rate, but surprisingly that is not enabled out of the box. So we're going to enable that. For that you will go into settings, display, scroll down, you will see the option for smooth display. As you can see, this is disabled right now. The display on the Pixel 8a is running at 60 Hz. We're going to enable this so that we can use the maximum potential of the Google Pixel 8a. Now do note that enabling 120 Hz or smooth display is going to increase your battery usage. While we are in the display section, another thing which you can enable is screen protector mode if you have a screen protector installed, because this is going to increase the touch sensitivity and improve touch when using a screen protector. Next up, even in this day and age of numbers, we are still using the old battery icon and battery percentage is not enabled out of the box on your Google Pixel 8a. How do you enable battery percentage? You will go into settings, battery, scroll down, you have an option for battery percentage, enable this toggle, and bam, here it is. You can see on the top right, we have the battery percentage besides the old school battery icon, which in my opinion, they should actually get rid of. It's all about the numbers. And another pro tip over here is that if you have any other Pixel device like say Pixel Buds, then you can also go into battery widget and add this to your home screen. And now any connected Pixel devices, their battery percentage is going to show in this widget along with your device as well. So you can see that my Pixel 8a is at 62%. Next up, out of the box, if you press and hold the power button on your Google Pixel 8a, it is going to invoke Google Assistant, or maybe you can try Gemini AI as well. What if you want to change this behavior? You will go into settings, then you will tap on search settings. Herein you need to search for power. As soon as you search for power, you will get the option of power menu. Select this option and here it is. Press and hold power button to access. By default it selects digital assistant. We're going to change that to power menu, and now when I press and hold the power button, I get the power menu, so I can now reboot my device or power off the Google Pixel 8a. And before you ask me, hey Manchi, then how do I invoke my Google Assistant? Well, we can go back into settings and tap on search settings, and herein we're going to search for swipe. So we're going to type in SWIPE, and bam, here it is. You see we have the option of swipe to invoke assistant under gesture navigation. We are going to enable this toggle, and now I can swipe from either corner to invoke Google Assistant. Bam, here it is. Google Assistant in the building, working like a boss. Our next tip and trick for the Google Pixel 8a is related to notifications. Ever been in a situation wherein you have missed your notifications? Well, the Pixel can fix that because it has the feature of notification history, just that you need to enable it. You will go into settings, go into notifications, you will see the option of notification history. As you can see, it is disabled out of the box. All you need to do is enable this toggle and bam, now you can access your notification history from your quick settings panel. Swipe down twice. On the bottom left, you will see the option of notification history, or you can always go back into this very option of settings, notifications, notification history, and herein you will see your recent notifications. In case you miss a notification, this is where you can find them. Next, pro tip for the Google Pixel 8a is to enable the icon which is going to let you know that your phone is in vibrate mode. Right now, the Google Pixel 8a is in vibrate only mode, which means calls, notifications, messages are going to vibrate only. And I might forget to turn back the ringer volume. But if I have a notification in my status bar about it or an icon, that will make my life easier. Where do you find this feature? Well, you need to go into settings, sound and vibration, scroll down, and you will see the option of always show icon when in vibrate mode. Once I enable this, bam, here it is. You can see I have an icon in my status bar which is letting me know that my Google Pixel 8a is in vibrate mode, and if I change the mode, that icon is going to disappear. Here it is, the icon now disappeared. Staying with the topic of notifications, I am pretty sure most of us out there do miss a notification LED. The Pixel 8a has a workaround for that, and that is called flash notifications. You can go into settings, notifications, and herein we can go into flash notifications. You see we have the option of camera flash or screen flash. So this is going to flash the camera light or the screen when you receive a notification or when alarms sound. We're going to enable this option, and we're going to say give us a preview. There it is. This is the camera light flashing when you get a notification or an alarm. Similarly, we have the option of screen flash as well. Once you enable that, tap on screen flash. You can change the color of the screen flash as well, and then here's the preview of how screen flash is going to work. So not a notification LED per se, but a good workaround from Google on the Google Pixel 8a. Our next tip and trick for the Google Pixel 8a is to change the grid size. You can see right now we have 4 icons in one row, which I think is wasting some space. How do you fix this? Well, press and hold on the empty space on your home screen, go into wallpapers and style. Here and scroll down, you have the option of app grid. You can see right now it is set as 4 by 5. We will tap on that and say 5 by 5, and now we have the option of 5 icons, and this in my humble opinion looks much better, and we are making the most use out of all the screen real estate which we have on the Google Pixel 8a. And next thing I recommend you do with the Google Pixel 8a is to customize the quick settings panel. So swipe down twice and you will see the pencil icon on the bottom right. Tap on edit. These are the active quick setting tiles, and these are the ones which are available to you. You have options like location, dark theme, changing the font size, extra dim mode, bedtime mode. All you need to do is drag and drop. So we're going to press and hold location, drag it to the top wherever we want it. Let us say we want it right here besides the flashlight option, and that's it. You tap on the back arrow, and now if I access my quick settings panel, here it is. Location option is here. I can quickly enable and disable the location on my Google Pixel 8a. Similarly, you can add quick setting tiles for dark theme and a bunch of other options. The next feature which we recommend you enable as soon as you take the Google Pixel 8a out of the box is quick tap, or say double tap on the back. So you will go into settings, tap on search settings, here and just search for quick. As soon as you type in QUI, you will see the option of use quick tap. Tap on this option, enable this, and now you can tap on the back of your phone twice to say take a screenshot, access your digital assistant, play or pause media, see recent apps, show notifications, toggle a flashlight, or you can also open an app as well. So select open app, tap on the settings icon besides it, select the application which you want to open, and now when you quick tap or double tap on the back, it should open the calculator application, and you also have the option of enabling require stronger taps if your taps are not strong enough. And do note that quick tap or double tap on the back only works when your display is turned on. If your phone is in sleep mode or the display is turned off, then quick tap or double tap on the back is not going to work. Our next tip and trick for the Google Pixel 8a is related to face unlock. So you've set up your face unlock, but it's kind of irritating because when you turn your phone on or turn the display on, it stays on the lock screen even though the face unlock has kicked in and is working properly. Well, to fix that, all you need to do is go into settings, security, and privacy. Go into device unlock and go into fingerprint and face unlock, enter your PIN, and then we're going to go into face unlock. Herein you will see the option of skip lock screen. So once you enable this toggle, once the phone has been unlocked using face unlock, it will go directly to the last used screen. So we're going to enable this, and now when I turn the display on my Google Pixel 8a on, it is unlocked with face unlock. I am no longer on the lock screen. It takes me to my home screen, or say the last used application. The next tip and trick for the Google Pixel 8a is to customize your lock screen shortcuts. Now, what do I mean by lock screen shortcuts? Well, here it is on the lock screen. You see I have the shortcut of flashlight and QR code scanner. Out of the box, you might not be able to see these shortcuts, and the reason for that, my dear friends, is that they are set to options which you might not have set up. So where do you find these options? You go into settings, display, lock screen, shortcuts. Your left shortcut might be set as device controls, and the right shortcut might be set as wallet, which is why they are not showing up. Go into this setting and choose your left shortcut and right shortcut. Once you do that, you should have whatever option you have chosen as a quick shortcut on your lock screen. And before you ask me, hey Manji, how did you get that ICE text on the lock screen, which stands for in case of emergency call this number? Well, that option is also present in the lock screen settings. So we can go back into settings, and we are in our lock screen settings. Here it is, add text on lock screen. Tap on this. You can add your name, or you can choose to enter emergency contact information as well. And while we are in lock screen settings, if you want to enable always on display, this is where you're going to do that as well. So here it is. In the lock screen settings, we have always show time and info, which by default is disabled. Once you enable this, always on display is going to get enabled. Do note that it is going to increase your battery usage. But again, if you want the feature of always on display, then you do have to enable it explicitly on the Google Pixel 8a. Our last tip and trick related to the Google Pixel 8a is related to arbitration now. Do note, as soon as you bought the Google Pixel 8a, you automatically signed an arbitration agreement with Google wherein you cannot file a lawsuit against them. But if you decide to change your mind, you do not want to automatically be signed into this arbitration agreement, all you have to do is go to the web page which is linked in the description of the video, or you can also go to this website which Google made very easy to click on this link. Hell no, they want you to type it in. So that is where you go and you can opt out of this arbitration agreement. Do note you have 30 days to opt out of this arbitration agreement with Google. And there it is, peeps. Those were our tips and tricks and the first things you should do as soon as you take out the Google Pixel 8a out of the box. If you feel there's a pro tip which we missed out on, make sure you mention it in the comments on this video.